Hanya is to meet one. Um, uh, this afternoon, okay, tonight is I'm not sleeping yes right now. I want to speak something about the freedom for sleep. Now, I want to speak little a bit about reading, not speaking, not speak reading. Okay, in the Jeremiah, no. You get a party so she to talk about how we're me up on it, no. We're me a shadow, no. That's Sylvie, Jeremiah chapter 34 in there, no? Chapter 8, verse 8, sorry, no? Verse 8, no? Yakale pala, we're me a shadow, that's Sylvie a shapo ho, no? $2 agata, no? $2. Kora freedom for slave, no? Bagatera away in metal, kuthir pala, tata blue, bagatema, basic or dinner, no? Yeah, look to that way in Mamanu Hule. Fucking your did honey, or rota, no mahawada. Easily. They do it easily way. Okay? They promise, they broke it. No? I want it easily, no? But it didn't matter who way in Takota Keduma, no? But Malapira Pelera Kira did honey. Takota Kaini, no? But it's not put it on my breaking sitane. Where they break the Buddha covenants now with God now when they matter all of the saga they have win it all penny peckle tagi no the war come to Jeremiah from the lords after King Zedekiah no have made no made a covenants with all the people in Jerusalem. Low Jerusalem, no. When Mawara, Mata or when a corner sopa, no, Sikadia, no, when Mata or no, Pagatino Mala, no, when Takulu Hela Casayo, no, Takulu Hela Casayo, Sue Win Mia, oh, no, when Takulu Heaven, no. No pay no Deran to proclaim proclaim freedom for the slave no proclaim Sidane Bagatan Mala our de Plaro like about freedom for the slave no where Kabama to play no but hit other blee no le kudir pan oh everyone was to free his Hebrew slave, no? Bagatan mala pakuarane kabahivera high, no? Pakuarane kabahivera Bagatamano, tatabli, le bripo, no? Bagatan mala, pai bripo did pa akun, no? Bahi tatabli kalano, okay? Let us put our bakru patupathala tagi way over sikolo, no? Both male and female. Now, pagkatira mana pamu do pokwa. No key color no pamu mi pokwa mi no. No one was to host a fellow Jews is banished no. Pagkatira mana matagama tehika poka no. Oh, sorry about this. No, not Spanish. I speak in English and the Quran. Only just okay. Let us put our pain on Matagama Kahika Pokavera, fellow Jews in abandoned. No, talo fellows de Pala, Pagatina Pala, immediately authority, no, Pala, Pagatina Mala, but not difficult, but you're this no, difficult, no. Let us put our pain and juice and bandage, talo bandage sidane, or what the he havera, Kapara ke kura, no? Corala bondage, no? Let us put our pain, no? Pama, what the thejan, not galva, no error, no? Pama, feel about, not there, no? Let us put our soul, all the officials and people who enter into this covenants agree that they was free their males and female slaves and no longer hold them in the no bondage. No pagitena mala away ni pagitena mala no pakele pakupa nadir pakele kasi no paganyo de pakele kasi le ahen no esu Pagitera mala mata olo covenant sidane no olo da no when they mela agree sidane no pagina olo da tulo wera no tulo wera la pagitera ma awete ka plug wera no pamu mingi pa kwami kutir pa kale kasine no Lita no kura no awete te hi ka wera lo ba no do awete no ta pu ka ba kutir pa lo ba no tebene they agree no pagitera mala awete ne olo no they agrees no pagitera ma pe and set them free we run it awete he lo wera pagitera ma set them free sidane no awete do levera the bli no set them free but afterward they changed their minds and they took back the slave they has freed and enslaved them again no we run it awete jet ko ra we lock in no awete they pan no awete they pan e pagitera ma lo chot legi awete tasumo no awete all we run it well short legi ra tasumo short legi ra tasumo run it awaki ko ra la pagitera ma la kulu at the bleeded part no pagitera ma la free slave pan no awete am slave then again sidane awete ki magira la good blog no then the word of the Lord came to Jeremiah then go kasaywa agli hevesu wirmia oni tebra de this is what the Lord no away ne me minutimile kasaywa ne me minutimile the God of Israel no away ne me kasaywa lo pa Israel ko kasa no say David I made a covenant with your forefather when I brought then out of Egypt no when they meet ala oh yamata no ne pipati the parlor yet to dog we all no but my he talk we all look up to a poo no come to boo no Pagiten mala out of the land of the slavery no pagiten mala when they meet tala but that the cake a law mala talota clear cake law yet to dog we what they look law I said, no, you did. Every 7 years each of you must free any fellow Hebrews who has sold himself to you. Now, by Ruthie put it upon every 7 years, no, but ever, not every, pakuade, no, la nuini topuni, no, or pagitano mala, pala asaloda. Le tu o no keku le tu o no think pa he or tatably ko each of your ma freed any fellow Hebrews who has sold himself not to you or whether salota shoot to no le tu no after he has served you 6 years no le lucky whether he lota whether keku le tu o no Huni, you must let him go free, no? Don't nekaba, hilo, takwetayala, akahato, at the blinelo. Your father, no, when in Napa, no? However, no, what did the party? Do not listen to me or pay attention to me, no? But tell them what did the party? Not the dukana yabado, no? What did the pan the dukana yabado? Put them on the pakesiko, no? The pakesiko, talo geneva, no let them put our name, there now. Recently, no panelo, put them on the no at the back recently, no? You repent and did what is right in my sight, no? Nefuni hagdagi to that, no? Hagdagi to that, no? Talo to mada ahi, le yemenya, no yemenya. Each of you proclaim freedom to his countrymen, no? When he what the guy ne, think about, but mother, no? Think about the plot over there, le pagitema proclaim. But he thought le tico for quadri palo. You even made a covenant before me in the house that bears my name. On the two masikota all le yehipu do le yemi. No pagitema le bear my name Udo Yemi no Udo Yemi beer ne Udo Yemi no but now you have turned around and now pronounce my name no because mà là awa kai ni ne tu khage tu ta no khage tu ta do tu de pa ke wa ta so shi no ame ra Yemi ne ba no awa ni no because ti nya no each of you has taken back the made a female slave you has set free no to go where they wish no because mà là ne tu de pa ni no hi ki ra po mu mi ki po kwa mi ki le ti hi lo ta ta bli no le awati kale ta bli le awati ta ba ta tu ni no because mà ti hi gra ki a khu ta ro ni no ai da te be no you has a forced them to become your slave again no tu ki ro masu maso ni awati ma no ne tu ki ro masu maso ni awati no because mà là awa ma ki ra no tu de ki ro ki o le ku de blog do no again no let us go to therefore this is what the Lord say let us go to away ni me le ka sa yua ka ba te ti lo you have not obeyed me no tu because mà ta po thwe ya ba no tu obey ni because mà là tu ta pa ke ya ba no tu ta do kana ya ba you have not proclaimed freedom to your fellow countrymen no away ni ne tu ta pa plaro le tu ta hita ta bli le because mà thi ko pa ka nyo ti pha ma no ti ko pa ka nyo ti pha ba so I now proclaim freedom for you no kaini no kaini ye ka pa plaro ra ta ta bli le tu no ye ka pa plaro ta ta bli tu declare the Lord's freedom to fall by the sword no le ta no ko ka sa yo ka te to ra la ta ta bli because mà su ta lo te su na pho ko no because mà no na pu le na mà nó lo te be su na because mà do nó khe có ra na ne me da la pha tho mà nó na pha tho din mà nó plus and the famine nó because mà là away ni có ra ta sa ta mi mà nó ta wa ne me da la ta sa wi lo do nó famine ni ta sa wi lo do plus place ne ke ra ta sa earth mi nó away ni famine ni ta sa wi lo do I will make you no a horrend to all the kingdom of the earth no because mà là nó ta le because mà là a horrend chỉ ta này mi ta le bởi là pasta ba pasta hi nóจะกำมาที่ดินภาษาบ้าภาษาฮีที่เลือกประเทศมาแล้วที่ข้อที่พระอเมริกาเนี่ยเนาะที่ข้อที่พระคือเลยอเมริกาเนี่ยมันเนาะวันนี้จะกับปาที่ดิน the man who has violence my covenants เนาะ violence เนี่ยประเทศมาตับปาลุปากเกวะเนาะประเทศมาแล้วเนาะจะมหากว่าเนาะประเทศที่จีนที่สิก่อนเนาะวันนี้เนาะ and have not fulfilled the term of the covenant they made before me เนาะporque tema awati tamale pueda no ta olo le no porque tema semenya le awati mawe ne ba no le ta no khuta ro ne phei ne ko ra le ta olo awo ma no awati tamale pue ma no porque tema olo da wili patamale pue ba tagi digli dini digli utho weda no pete thisik or tagi tirphanisik no I will treat like the curve they cut in tooth and then what's between is peace no peace pete mala away ni no pete ma jaka ma ditu ro pete klop phu tirpha do jaka dot te kui o no pete ma khiku door kadeba no porque ma yekama hago kui awati no yekama lock rabbit porque ma no when no piece in it porque ki tari no porque ma dine tu no the leader of Judah and Jerusalem no when they meet ala lo paida ho kona do to lo Jerusalem no porque ma Jerusalem no the court official because ma pa all couple official that pa kona that pa sikona the priest not the priest and all the people of the lands who walk between the piece of the calf, calf of the calf, let that go to pain, priest, pala, Tukapada, no, Pake, Kukena, let Abuta Bargapa, no, Dorkara Pakanyo Killer, let Talo Winnie, no, let Amara, let Apita Mathi Pani, no, awake a Mahago with kid, no, Terry, no, Kelakasi, no, de awake lotte we clop who kick to Nilo, no. No, Penny, I will hand over to their enemy. No, when they kill up we. With the love, but enemies, then a love, poala, but Jerema. I do that subu. No, I do that subu. No, because I okay, no. Who see their live, when they poala tea with that, with it, okay, okay, their death body will become food for the bird of the air and the beasts of the earth. No, porque awani awate anok huni ke kero wala no ta all porque la lo mu ko to poli putit pa wo lo hokuni no sapo ko putit pa la adutit pa wo no le tan ko ke kero ba dinitu awi hand no porque Zedekiah king of Judea and his officer of over to their enemy. No, porque I want to sopa diki, Zidikia do, porque Bajuda po, do, Konathir pa, do, no, I want to le, porque Duda super calacasino, no, okay, he locked away, did I know? But then a hotel on it, but thing ya didn't to know. Who see their live now, Pagatiwella, or what the no, to the armies of the king of Babylon, no, Pagitama Su, Pagitamala, armies Sidane, Medala, Paposugawe, Le Sopa Babulo Unilo, not the king of Babylon, no, Babylon Unilo, which has withdrawn from use, no, I want what they got to on it, Sutu Unilo, no, withdraw, no. I am going to give the order. No, when you know, Jakahilo Takalu, no, Jakahilo Takalu, no, when you know, with him, no, declare the laws, no, when he could take it to like a Sayua, not take it to, no, and I will bring them back to the city. We mano Takahaki Soki, whether look, no, Pagitana, do the work, no, le Tikobo. They will fight against it. Now we run what they come back to Niki with them, no? Way back kid Niki, no? When they could do, what they come a hagoku, no? Can do hagoku, erotive, take it and burn it, not kahini, no, come, kacha uku, burn it down, no? No, but you check uku, no, and I will lay waste the town of Judah so no one can live there, no? Pektemala yeka malakwi wasting yeka malakwi, no, yeka malakwi without the warning, no paida po, no at the water pa, no tiko at the water pa, no madgama upeni. The Thilova can live there. No one can live there. No, Maragama open the Thilova. When they freedom for no go a slave. Bamanile, Dalaka Sayo Mite, the Mimile, Tigabamano. Okay, the gods tell you something. Okay, you promise, you make a covenant with God. This means you should do. You don't do is your family has horrible thing coming. No? This means there's examples of we learn from example of the Israeli people. They don't obey, all right, and then they don't pay attention, okay, they not listen. There's a problem, big problem, okay, and then you make a covenant, you should be do. You don't make a covenant, that's okay. That's the God okay like this, okay. Once you make a covenant, you should do, no. Then I could have put up to Pata Betamopuno, Tilo Pame Mawara, Ta all Libani Papamara. Pamita Mata all of money, Petaluma, Tilo, no, when you know, more Kasaya Sugi to the Tinya to the Soshi, Atauta did Paniki, not the gods which is used, and the God will explain use. You will understand about the Jeremiah chapter 34, verse 8 to 22. Okay. Can you read it back there? And then you will see. God bless you. Okay. May God bless you. May God bless your family. Okay. Good night sleep, everyone. And good morning in the other country. Thank you so much, my brother and sister. Okay. God will with you forever. Okay. You have the good day. Bye bye. I will see you later again. Now you can tell me that I thought the need on no, but I'm going to I want to finish this one only. Okay. Remember, when you make a covenant with God, you should be do. Okay, you should do. If you don't make a covenant with God, you don't need to do. Thank you so much, my brother and sister. I will see you next time. Bye bye. God bless you.